Hi, year one, and welcome to maths. Today's Thursday, and you're going to need a piece of paper and pencil and those thinking brains, those magnet eyes. Let's get started. Let me share my screen with you. Okay, the first thing I would like you to do is pause me and answer these 4 questions. So these two are missing word questions. So it says long, longer, and what is the missing word after longer? So I'd like you to write the number 1, write the date at the top of the page, and then answer these 4 questions, okay? Pause me now and do that, please. Fantastic. I hope that you are back and you have answered all 4 of these questions. Okay, today we are going to be comparing length. So we're going to work together. Oh, let's answer these questions first. So get your pencil out and get ready to tick if you got the answer right. Okay, so it's long, longer, and then longest. Well done if you got that. Give yourself a tick if you got that right. Write it underneath if you didn't. Long, longer, longest. Okay, so what's the missing word in number 2? Can somebody tell me? We've got short. Well done. Shorter. Whoops. Sorry. Shorter and shortest. Give yourself a tick. Let me get my ticking pencil out. I think I deserve a tick as well. Give yourself a tick if you got those right. Okay, what word is this number? A, 14, or B, 40? Which one did you guys put? Well done. It is 14. Fantastic. Give yourself a tick if you got 14. Okay. 20 take away 15. Oh, okay. So how did you work this one out? I think you could work it out in a couple of ways. I think you could hold 15 in your head, hold 20 in your head, sorry, and count take away 15. Or you could hold 15 in your head and figure out how many more it takes to get to 20. So the answer is 5. Give yourself a tick if you got 5, and well done if you used one of those 2 methods to figure it out, and extra well done if you used some resources at home, so some blocks or some things like that to help you. Really well done. Okay, the next few slides we will be measuring together. Okay, so you still need your pencil. I need you underneath the work that we've just done here. I need you to write the number 1 again, and we're going to answer this first question together. So it says, number 1, how long is the knife? Well, you have a look and a think. How many centimeters is the knife? I think I'm just going to check that everything's lined up. Yep, so we've got the end of the knife lined up to 0. And what's that arrow pointing at? Oh, write down the answer. Write down what you think it is. Okay, the answer is 9. The knife is 9 centimeters. So if you wrote next to your number 1, if you wrote 9 centimeters, give yourself a tick. Fantastic. Okay, let's go to the next one, shall we? Okay, now it says, let's compare length. So it says, which pencil is the shortest and which pencil is the longest? So what I think we should do is measure all three pencils first. So, whoops. Oop. Silly Miss Walker, there we go. So let's line up the yellow pencil next to the ruler. There we go. Is it lined up? I think so. Okay. So the yellow pencil is how many centimeters? Okay. So the yellow pencil is 4 centimeters. Let's write it next to it. 4. Okay, let's measure the brown, whoops, the brown pencil next. Sorry, everything's getting in the way. There we go. So let's line this one up. Okay, how many centimeters is the brown pencil? Well done if you said 7 centimeters. So let's write the number 7 next to our brown pencil. Okay, let's do this last blue pencil all together and then we can answer the questions. So I've lined it up. Oops. How many centimeters is the blue pencil? What did you say? Yes, well done. The blue pencil is 8 centimeters. So let's put it up here and write the number 8. Okay, so our first question is, which pencil is the shortest? So we're looking for the smallest number, aren't we? Okay, can you write down number 2 and then A, and then write down which pencil you think is which colour pencil you think is the shortest? Okay, pause me if you need to. I'm going to go on to the next one now. So, which pencil is the longest? I think I might be looking for the biggest number. So, write down the answer that you think, write B, and then write the answer that you think. Which pencil is the longest? Well done. Okay, and here are the answers. Get ready to tick. The yellow pencil is the shortest. So give yourself a tick if you thought the yellow pencil was the shortest and you've written the word yellow. And the blue pencil was the longest. So if you wrote the word blue next to B, give yourself a tick as well. Well done. If you didn't, correct it next to it. Don't rub it out. Just write the answer next to it, please. Okay, next one. Okay, I'm going to let you have a look and answer this question yourselves first, and then I'm going to give you the answers, okay, and we'll mark it together. It says, which one is the longest? The red tower or the yellow tower? Pause me now, have a think, because I'd like you to measure each tower and then write a sentence to tell me which one is the longest. So the tower is the longest. Okay? Pause me now and write that sentence next to the number 3. Okay, hopefully you're back and hopefully you've written this full sentence out. Let's have a look. So the red tower is 9 centimeters tall. And the yellow tower is 10 centimeters. So the yellow tower is the longest. If you wrote the yellow tower is the longest, give yourself a tick. Make sure you have written this full sentence, please, next to the number 3. Okay, last question. Which is longer? The red tower or the pink tower? Pause me now and write a sentence, the same as we did on the last slide. Write a sentence for me to tell me which one is longer. Okay, so hopefully you're back and you've written a sentence. Now this was a sneaky question. The red tower is 10 centimeters. The pink tower is also 10 centimeters. So you could have written anything that was a little bit like this. The red tower is the same length as the pink tower. Full stop. Red tower is the same. So the most important part of that sentence is that you wrote they are the same length. So give yourself a tick if you did that. If you didn't, make sure you write down that they are the same length. Okay? Well done. Now, if you feel like that is enough and you don't want to do the challenge question, then remember to post all of this work that we've just done onto Tapestry, okay? If you'd like to stay for the challenge question, here it is. I'm thinking of a number. I've subtracted 5 and the answer is 7. What number was I thinking of? I'll read that one more time and then you're going to answer it on your own and then post the answer onto Tapestry, okay? I'm thinking of a number. I've subtracted 5 and the answer is 7. What number was I thinking of? Explain how you know. Okay? Good luck with that challenge question, okay? Remember, everyone, post all of the work that you've done from this math lesson onto Tapestry, okay? See you soon. Bye.